today, well, I think we're being healthy.
They are vegetables. They are low calorie.
Yeah. Is that as far as we're getting with this?
Possibly. I don't think these are something that you should eat large quantities of.
Well, no. But we've bought large quantities of them. Yeah, today, well, you've done a bit of shopping, haven't you?
I have.
You found these.
I have found a variety of pickled onions. So, a little while ago we went to Scott's place and we had all sorts of battered goods, and fish and chip shops traditionally sell pickled onions.
A good pickled onion, they do, yes.
So we have found a cheese company who makes pickled onions in a variety of flavours.
With hilarious names.
Well, quite.
So yes, we got a system with how we're going to eat these? Do we go blandest to...
I don't know.
Blaster or whatever it is?
I hadn't thought much about that.
So we've just got in with... Right, what have we got then? So we've got glorious garlic. Well, I think I'm going to like those.
Yeah.
Crunchy pickled onions with garlic. Go figure. Banging balsamic. So that's with balsamic vinegar. Go figure. Then we move on to the blasters, which have chili, and it gives us a heat rating of medium hot. So that's that to look forward to. We then have a ring stinger, which again is pickled with chili, but their heat rating is extra hot. And then fart starters, which again are medium. So I think, yeah, either or. A fart starter is probably is a bit...
Should we get those two done first?
Yeah.
And then move on to the chili ones?
Yeah, I think a fart starter's milder than an blaster, isn't it? So I think...
Who knows?
So, yeah, have you got any idea of what's going to be your favourite?
Not a clue. I've got an open mind.
I think I'm going to like these and not necessarily them. So, this is probably the closest to normal. Thank you very much. So, let's have a... I mean, they just smell like pickled onions.
Yeah, I don't smell garlic.
I mean, I'm not... Do we have to invert the...
I mean, it should be infused all the way through the vinegar.
Well, you'd like to think so, wouldn't you? Okay. Cheers. Just a pickled onion. Maybe it's in the aftertaste.
Yeah, it's just a normal pickled onion, isn't it? I mean, I'm not getting much garlic.
No, I even have a go at the vinegar. No, that's just vinegar. They're going to shoot out at a rate of knots. I bet they now just taste like onion.
Probably. They're not worth getting hold of. The little bits of garlic just taste like vinegar as well.
It's pickled garlic, isn't it?
We both agree.
Okay, so what's the rating we're using today?
I'm not.
Oh, okay. So I'm feeling they're already down this end.
Well, they're at the top because they're the best so far.
So, what, these banging balsamic?
Yes.
So I'd like to think is the balsamic vinegar a little sweeter?
Yes, it should be.
I mean, It smells different. We thought we'd do something like this because it's getting into the nice weather. It's where you have picky bits and salad for about 8 months now. Now, are these a gourmet onion?
Probably, because they're made with balsamic vinegar. They're quite nice, actually. Certainly better than those ones.
They are a little tart. As with all now, I will try the... Yep. I do prefer those. Despite what my face may say. Yeah. They're very tart.
Let's look at some chilli, shall we?
Let's do it. I'm almost not getting excited, although I can see, is that actual chilli floating in it?
Now, they definitely smell like they've got chilli in them.
Oh yeah, they smell a bit hurty.
They smelled it angry.
Angry spicy. Okay.
And there's a little bit of red stuff on the top of mine.
You've got red on you. Okay.
This could turn into the biggest advert for Gaviscon ever known.
Join us afterwards. Cheers.
Oh wow.
They're hot.
That's definitely got some bite to it. Wow.
And that's medium.
Yeah.
I must say, it could do with a bit of sweetness in it, to it.
That is just angry spicy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ow.
And that's medium hot.
Yes. Well, these ones are medium hot as well.
So could the...
But there's more.
So mine just says rehydrated chili flakes, so I don't know whether it's...
Do help yourself. I think these are going to be much the same as those ones.
They smell less than those though, so I'm hoping... Oh, I've got lots of red on that piece. Because that's the thing, with spicy stuff, it's okay if it's got flavour, not just obliterating, yeah. They're definitely milder than the other one.
But there's more chilli in that one. This one's got more chilli actually in the jar.
I mean, that's got more of an afterburn.
And comparatively, this one has got absolutely
That's like whole ones.
That does, it looks like a finger.
Oh no.
Oh, there's lots of them.
Does it say in the ingredients what they are? Oh! Oh dear. Oh dear.
Motion detected at the Lady Garden.
There will be motion detected at my Lady Garden if I eat more than one of those.
Joy, these are bird's eye chilies. Bottoms up. What's the rule? Chilli and an onion?
Oh, I was going to say no, thank you. I've got aqua aerobics tonight, so I don't want to fart and poo my pants in the pool. You've got some chilli there.
I've got chilli and some onion. I think that's the way to go.
Is that the rule?
Well, I think that's the way they're designed to be eaten.
Isn't this the chilli that I ate the first Christmas I spent with your family and then vomited everywhere?
Yes, it was.
So, I've already got PTSD.
I've got 2 chillies.
Good for you.
Chin chin.
Chilli. Oh my goodness. What would you eat these with though? Or just
cheese.
Oh, from the
come from the Chuckling Cheese Company.
From the Chuckling Cheese Company. We have
not
tried.
Sponsored or endorsed.
No,
it's just where it come from.
We have tried cheese from the Chuckling Cheese Company.
Yes, we have.
I don't think anyone actually watched that video, so.
It was a long time ago.
Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, I think we're going to need some sort of antacid after this. I already taste like pain.
Yeah.
Is that chilli or is that like...
They've got a funny taste to them. I mean, they're definitely the spiciest. And yeah, the heat's starting to creep in now quite hard.
Yeah.
But they've got some sort of weird aftertaste to them.
It's chilli, it's capsaicin, it's...
Yeah, but these two didn't have it.
It's because that's proper chilli. I'm starting to salivate quite considerably.
I think I might go back for a balsamic one. I think they were my favourites.
Just to dampen everything down.
Don't do that.
Has it accentuated it?
Mm.
I won't do that. Are you tearing a little bit? I thought you were tearing for a minute. I am...
Yes, that's not a good idea. Adding vinegar on top of burning chilli. I can confirm that's not a good idea.
It's making me salivate quite uncontrollably.
So have you got a favourite one?
Not that one.
Not that one.
I like these, as predicted, these two at the lower end and that one. What was that? A blaster.
Gas blaster.
Yeah. Because, yeah,
Yeah.
That's rather spicy.
That's very angry. That's quite angry. That's a little bit cross.
That's your sort of foot in the door, isn't it?
Yeah, that's your starter for 10. They're just normal pickled onions, aren't they?
I'm not getting garlic or anything at all.
No, which is sad. They're alright. And I think said Zebedee was that.
I think I need a little something to get the feeling back.
You're going for the Gaviscon, are you?
I don't think we've got any. I think what we should do now is just a little poll as to whether I'm actually going to poo myself in the pool now when I go to aqua aerobics tonight. So
Well, there is always that possible.
poo emojis in the comments if you think I'm going to follow through. I don't think the chilies in the jar are supposed to be eaten.
Oh. I think it's optional.
Well, I'm going to opt out.
And in true fashion, we've gone for all the optional extras.
Yeah. I feel like my mouth's blistering. It's so hot. It's so spicy. Yeah. I'm just burning ever so slightly.
I think it's probably time to say
yeah.
goodbye.
If you can think of anything else that's got hilarious names but isn't spicy that you'd like us to try, you think we would like to try, let us know. I'm struggling with all the saliva. But yeah, I think we're going and we'll see you next week.